Good morning, dear students. So in today's class we'll see special types of first order equations, first order nonlinear equations, and how to solve them using Charpit's method. So the first type of equation is when you have equations involving only P and Q. Then we general Charpit's method your f is a function of x, y, z and p, q. Now if f reduces to be a function of p and q only, so Charpit's method becomes much more simpler. The derivatives calculate simple. So you can directly solve your equation there. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അങ്ങനെയുള്ള equationsന് എപ്പോഴും ഒരേ type solutions ആയിരിക്കും. So we'll look at what are the solutions. So f of pq is equal to 0. Now when you write the Charpit's equation, so that is dx by fp equal to dy by fq, then dz by pfp plus qfq. Now ഇവിടെ വരുന്ന derivatives എല്ലാം 0 ആയിരിക്കും. So this is minus of fx plus p fz. fx ഉം fz ഉം 0 ആണ്. അതുപോലെ ഇവിടെ വരിക fy ഉം fz ആയിരിക്കും. അതും 0 ആണ്. So that is going to give dp by 0 and dq by 0. Now if you have dp by 0, dp equal to 0 item, so from there we'll get p equal to a. So p equal to a aana. Now q will be, so from this equation q can be expressed as a function of a because it's a function of only p and q. So p is a and q small q is capital Q of a. So you'll get dz equal to a dx plus qa dy. So on integrating you're going to get z equal to ax plus qay plus b. So this is how you obtain the solution. So we'll see an example. So consider an equation pq equal to 1. So nammal Charpit's method equation edumbo just this is required. So you'll get dp by 0 equal to dq by 0. So dp is 0. So namukku p equal to a nu kittum. P equal to a aanengi q will be equal to 1 by a. So p and q inde value itti. So substitute in your equation. So dz will be a dx plus 1 by a dy. Then integrating, that will give z equal to ax plus y by a plus b, where b is arbitrary constant. So one more question. P plus q equal to pq. Again dp by 0 will be equal to dq by 0. So dp will be equal to 0. So that gives p equal to a. P equal to a substitute a. So you'll get a plus q equal to aq. So from here q will be a by a minus 1 kittum q in the value. Substitute a. So dz is a dx plus a by a minus 1 dy. So on integrating you'll get z equal to ax plus ay by a minus 1 plus b. So that is the first type of equation. Equation, so equation is of the form f of pq equal to 0. Now the second type of equation is equation not involving independent variables. That is x and y നമ്മുടെ equation illengil endana sambhavikka. Okay, so suppose you have a pd of the form f of pqz equal to 0. appo namukku derivatives endha nokkam. So you will get the Charpit's equation in the form dx by fp equal to dy by fq, then dz by pfp plus qfq. Ni last term il rendu terms ilum fx um fy um 0 avum. So you will have only terms containing fz. fz ന്റെ derivative വരുന്ന ആ term മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. So minus pfz വരും equal to dq by minus q fz. So from here you can see that from the last two ratios fz will cancel off. So you are going to get dp by p equal to dq by q. So log p will be equal to log q plus log a. So that will give you p equal to a q. Appo p ke substitution kodukka. So you can write p in terms of aq. So using this equation you can obtain values of p and q. Okay. So we'll do an example. So we need to solve for the equation z equal to p square minus q square. So directly substitute p equal to aq. അപ്പോൾ മൊത്തം ഇക്വേഷൻ ക്യൂവിൻ്റെ ടേംസിലാവും. ഇനി വിൽ ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ദ വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് ക്യൂ ഫസ്റ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ വൺസ് ക്യൂ കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് പിയുടെ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. ക്യൂ ഇവിടെ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുക, ദാറ്റ് വിൽ ഗിവ് ദ വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് പി. So from here you will get q square equal to z by a square minus 1. So q is root of z by a square minus 1. ഇനി p q സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ p എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് a q വരും. So dz equal to a into root of z by a square minus 1 dx plus root z by a square minus 1 dy. Now you can take root z to the left side. So I can write it as 2 dz by 2 root z equal to a by root of a square minus 1 dx plus 1 by root of a square minus 1 dy. ഇനി ഇവിടെ വരുന്ന ടേംസ് രണ്ടും കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് ആണ്. Now on integrating you will get 2 root z equal to the ax plus y by root of a square minus 1 plus p വരും. So that is the solution. So next question. So you have zpq equal to p plus q. So again substitute p equal to aq on substitution. So you will get z aq square equal to so aq plus q varum. So that is a plus 1 into q. So from here you will get q cancel out. So remaining q will be equal to a plus 1 by z times a. അപ്പം aq will be a plus 1 by z. Okay. അതായിരിക്കും പിയുടെ വാല്യൂ. ഇനി പി ക്യൂ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. സോ dz will be a plus 1 by z dx plus a plus 1 by az dy. Now take z to the left hand side. I'll give z dz equal to a plus 1 dx plus a plus 1 by a dy. So on integrating that will give you z square by 2 equal to a plus 1 x plus a plus 1 by a y plus b. So this is the required solution. So the next problem is p square equal to qz. Again this is a function of p, q and z, but the substitution is p equal to aq. So p equal to aq കൊടുക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ you will get a square q square equal to qz. So that gives q equal to z by a square വരും. ഇനി ഇക്വേഷനെ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. p dx and q dy. അപ്പം p will be z by a, aq വരും. അപ്പോൾ z by a വരും. So dz is z by a dx plus z by a square dy. So take z to the left side. So dz by z equal to dx by a plus dy by a square varum. So on integrating that gives log z equal to x by a plus y by a square plus b. So this is the required solution. And then next question is pq equal to 4z. Again same substitution, p equal to aq substitute ചെയ്യുക. So you will get aq square equal to 4z. q square എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 4z by a. So q will be 2 root z by a. ഇനി substitute ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ p will be 2a root of z by a dx then plus 2 root z by a dy. So on integrating അപ്പോൾ root z okay 2 root z left side like edukka. So dz by 2 root z equal to remaining you have root a dx plus dy by root a. On integrating that gives root z equal to root a x plus y by root a plus b. So this is the required solution.